Hello YouTubers, this is just deliver from Lazada.sg from China. I don't know how to pronounce the brand name. Okay, it's a radio Walkman cassette tape radio. Okay, let's get going. It's $25 plus plus. I will need to go down to the Indian mama shop to buy the battery later. I don't know whether it gives the electrical. It stays here, it's from China, Shenzhen again. Okay, this is the brand, how to pronounce? RETEKESS. Is it pronounced as RETEKESS? How to pronounce this name? Okay, so Henan East Electronic Commerce. 郑州河南 Okay, so here's the USB plug. So it looks this way. Okay. Wait a while, I'm going to get the. Normally, it will take 2 AA battery. Yeah. So the USB wire is this way, so you have to plug in here to charge it. But I think I'll go down to the mama shop to buy a battery first. Isn't this cute? Is this cute? Wait till I play a cassette tape, okay? Okay, YouTubers. Now it's Singapore time zone 7 p.m. something. I bought the battery, AA battery. Normally this type of cassette tape radio player. This is from Lazada.sg at $25 plus plus. And then I have one whole box of cassette tapes, okay? Then and then this are the Japanese 80s cassette tapes. So let's try it on. Wait a while, I go and get my glasses. Obviously it's not Sony WMD6C, which I bought it at age 13 years old back in 1985. This is so retro, you know. Isn't this cute? Let's test out its sound quality, okay? With the battery first. It comes with this set of USB port, okay, where you can charge it with all your handphone plug. Okay, let's test it, man. Okay. because the Iowa Walkman, I really cannot unscrew the screw oriented folding. This let's say you want to put this whatever China 太极气功 if you have those 气功 playing tapes you can just play. Okay, then this one is go in. Too many years, never instant battery. Wait a while. Okay, finally. So let's test run. Let's this is 1990s Taiwan Honghai Er. Okay, and then this is the Sony HF90 cassette tape, but I think I want to test run. This is the one that contains 神雕侠侣 1983, so I want to have that. Which one? I have so many of them. All this bought and duck. See? But yeah. This is the one. This is the most precious one. Okay, it contains all the cyanide dye. Okay, let's have the volume. Okay, let's open this way. Okay, then this is metal. This metal. Okay, metal bias 70 EQ type 5. Type 4. Okay, this is so retro, you know. This one I bought it from Singapore Kaki. Singapore Kaki. Okay. The time was what age? Was it my first job? My salary was only $600, you know. My first job. Okay, this is so retro. See, this is so cute. And then you see, it has this antenna, you know, the so familiar 1970s antenna. Okay, we play the cassette tape first. This is so retro. This is like miracle happening, you know. And I used to wear this type of pink frame glasses when I was studying during the 80s. This is so retro. Let's have a retro. Okay, let's see the sound quality as well. Oh dear, I dub away the Sonentai songs in the Sony PMCD-RL. Oh, never mind. And the good thing is uh, they also, China also, Shenzhen also came up with the two cassette tape decker type of radio player. This is so cool. This is so cool. And then it comes with a headphone and a mic. Okay, so the USB wire is quite long. What song do I record? What song do I record? Some more is white in color, you know. Wow, this is so retro. I tell you all, 49 years old sister girls and all, let's bring this cassette tape radio to go to our East Coast Beach. Rent that bike and ride a bike with this. This is so retro, you know. Maybe buy a bike again. Buy a bike again. You see the cassette tape, man. This is so retro. Press the stop button. Okay, because our cassette tape, the tape head will always get rusty. So nowadays, China has produced this computer screen glass solution where you can use it to watch the tape head. It's so retro. It's so retro. It's wait, I have so many cassette tapes, you know. This is like playing cassette tapes dedication songs again. Okay, and then I wonder which Cantonese song this is given by as a birthday gift, you know. 11 years old back in 1983 by my classmate Karen Tan. Her dad owns this type of radio equipment store in Beauty World. Okay, since this Hikaru Genji 1990, then this is Toshihiko Tahara, and then this is Shonendai Mas. Okay, Shonendai again, and Mr. Danny Chan, and then we have Hideki Tokugana. Okay, this is so retro. Okay, I tell you, tonight I celebrate my love for you. This is so retro. This is really retro. This is really retro. Retro night.